Here goes nothing.
Yeah.
Got my wide open trigger back from ATF jail after they had it confiscated for 2 years. I think they took it June of 2023. Got it back September.
Take the next right on the Scribner Road.
So today, on my birthday, Erica and I took it out to the range and we did some test fire. And my Sig MPX.
Continue on
We
Scribner
tested
Road
it
for
out in
1.5
the
miles.
20 round and 30 round mag. She did a better job than I did, but the results are right here in the video. Check it out, man. Peace. Test fire, take one. Go. Again. Again. Okay, again. Again. Again.
I moved too much.
Okay, stand by.
Oh my goodness.
Here goes nothing.
Yeah.